Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making Carolina Reaper Popper Chicken. Carolina Reaper Popper Chicken, whatever. I'm going to show you what we're working with. Before we get started, we'll start making the, I guess the stuffing for the chicken. And I'll show you what that entails. So right here, I've already opened them up. Got our cream cheese right here. And Carolina Reaper blend cheese for your Carolina Reaper Popper chicken. And we're going to start seasoning this up. For the seasoning, this is what we're going to use: the Fire and Stone Chicka Bam Bam. We're going to put that on the, you know what we're putting it on the cream cheese, if it'll come out. Just gonna season the cream cheese up like this. Give it a nice little coat. It don't have to be heavy-handed. There we go. Carolina Reaper Popper chicken. So I say it don't have to be heavy-handed. I look like I went heavy-handed on it. All right, that's step one. We're going to hit that smoke at 225. We're going to actually smoke this cream cheese. So I'll show you what that looks like. All right, so we're ready to put this on the smoke. Got it seasoned up. Smoker reached 225. And you can put those on here just like this, because this is foil, so it's not going to hurt anything. Just set them on there, just like so. Boom. And then we'll be done with that. We're gonna let that run for about 30 minutes or so, and then we'll check it. Okay, so the cream cheese is off the smoke now. See, it got a nice little color to it. Went ahead and put the cheese, the Carolina Reaper blend, into the bowl already. We're gonna marry these two together, and I don't know exactly how much I'm gonna need. I feel like I smoked a lot. I'm gonna start with 2 maybe, and then see if that is thick enough or too runny. I hope it's not too runny, because I only bought two things of cheese. And that cheese, if you haven't ever had it, just right out of the pack, it has a kick to it. Not heavy, but it does have a kick to it. I don't know. I think we might need, I don't know, what do y'all think? Do we need another one? Maybe halvesies? Alright, well, I'm gonna figure it out and I'll come back. Okay, so there is the stuffing. What do you call that? I don't know. What's it called when you stuff a chicken? Stuffing, I guess. I don't know. And of course, I know you guys probably saw the bacon. You know we're going to wrap that chicken in bacon. I've already seasoned the chicken up, and now we are going to stuff it. Listen, there's really no way, I guess, wrong or right to do this. I'm going to do the best I can with it. I don't know how it's going to come out. I'll probably do one on camera, and then the rest of it, I don't know. The rest of it I'll spare you watching me not knowing what I'm doing. Anyway, I think this will be good just like that. And then I'm going to come over here. Now, again, this is not a real recipe I'm following, but I'm going to put the cream cheese side down and then just try to roll it. I like using the thinner bacon, because when you use the thinner bacon, you can stretch it and you can manipulate it a little bit more. And hope you don't lose too much when you're doing that. Alright, there we go. There's the first one. And let me wipe my hands off and I'll show you. Get you a little better idea there. So there's the first one, and I'll do the rest and I'll come back. Okay, so I'm all done as far as wrapping them and seasoning. Well, not done seasoning actually. I think I'm about to season the outside of them just a little bit more. Give them a little I don't know what's up with this dang seasoning. It don't want to come out. I'm gonna give them a little something extra here. And really, they almost didn't fit. Dude, come on. There we go. All right, so I had a little bit extra left over, so portobellos. I removed the stem and then packed it. Then I wrapped it with bacon. I'm not gonna wrap the other one with bacon. I don't know. Maybe my wife would want one, and she probably won't care for the bacon part. So I left one wrapped, one not. About to go throw these on the smoke. 225 with the hickory. We're gonna let it ride, and we'll see how it comes out, guys. Okay, guys, it is ready. You guys are gonna see it as I see it. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I wrapped it good. Oh yeah, ouch. It'll come out pretty good. Bacon set up pretty nice. Got our cutting board ready. Let's at least get one out, right? And see how we did. Man, I'm really surprised that that held together like it did. Not gonna lie to you. I did not expect it. And shout out to DJI cameras. They got a built-in magnet. So whenever I'm filming my food, this camera's basically attached to my microwave. Just like that. Anyway, we're gonna cut this bad boy open and see. Alright, there it is. Let's take a quick look. I don't know, man. Look at that, nice and creamy. So there it is, with it stuffed. Pretty sure if I cut it more, we'll get more out of it, but I'm not going to do that. Oops. And so maybe some of y'all are wondering about the portobellos. Slide them over. Here's the portobellos. Oh wow. Look at that. So the one that was wrapped really held together well. Very nice. Well, since this one's mine, I guess we could go ahead and cut it, right? Wrap that one back up. Let's cut the portobello. Oh man, just so tender. There you go. I'll show you all the portobello. Very nice. Well, so there you have it, guys. What do you call this? Carolina Reaper Popper chicken. I don't know. It is whatever you want to call it, I guess. Anyway, I keep actually, you know what? Before we do that, I forgot. You remember that cream cheese, extra cream cheese that we had? So I went ahead and made a little sauce with it. This is the cream cheese mixed with a little bit of Franklin hot sauce. I'm just going to drizzle it across the top. There you go. Just like that. Boom. Don't forget about that one right there. Oops, made a mess. Don't tell the wife. I'm not going to put any on my portobello. I don't like it on my portobello. Anyway, so there you have it. I don't know. Just try new things. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Well, tell me what you think. Something else you want me to try, I'll try it. Anyway, like I said before, we're not catching, we're cooking, guys. I'll see y'all next time.